Recently, Twitch has been going after view bots, which is great. However, there are whispers about its impact on smaller streamers. Some claiming they decide who is and isn't a bot based on chat activity. Those of you who have been streaming will know that Lurkers build a strong backbone to any streaming community, which is why lots of people are freaking out. Understandably so. But this is just hearsay as of now, nothing confirmed officially by Twitch. However, if you want to prepare just in case, let me show you a super simple way to make sure your viewers are accounted for. Again, just in case this is proving to be true. So, how do we make sure those lurkers count while also giving you a pretty fun way to check who's been to how many streams? Well, we'll add a check-in redeem. Check-in redeems can be a one-point redeem or chat message that allow users to build a count of how many streams they visited, with the possible new benefit of making sure they count and aren't labeled as bots by Twitch. Allegedly. Setting this up is really simple. The only software you'll need is Mixitup, and if you haven't gotten this already, you really should. Outside of what I'll show you today, there are tons of things you can set up. Additionally, Twitch has pushed forward a change allowing any channel to monetize and therefore set up redeems. You no longer have to worry about hitting affiliate to enable rewards. Okay, but once you have Mixitup, start by going to Currency Rank Inventory in the side burger menu. Next, add your currency. Give it a name first. I recommend something that goes along with your theme. This is also really fun to bring in lore and branding. I'll create a fake one for this tutorial. Disable the online rate if you want one per stream, but you can also keep this on to encourage watch time rewards. However, for today, we'll just be setting up the once per stream. Then, make sure the automatic reset is set to never. This will keep a running total so users can see how many streams they've checked in even years from now. Go ahead and save it. It'll ask you to create text commands, and we'll need these, so click yes. You now have your currency. Our next step is to look at the commands. So, in the side menu, click Commands, then Custom Commands. I recommend keeping all of these on except for the give command. The others allow mods to make changes if it breaks and for the user to check their currency levels. Give command would allow trading, but that's not what we want here, so go ahead and turn that off. Lastly, we need to make the redeem allowing chat to actually use it, so navigate to Twitch, Channel Points, where you can either create a new reward or add to an existing. Either way, within the redeem, we'll need two actions. First, add a consumables block. Add your currency listed with amount set to 1, and then add the chat message. Here, you'll want to add your message, but more importantly, the currency name. Following the $ user, then currency name to display the total amount accumulated. Save that, and then we have one last setting to change in the Twitch backend. Under your streams, you'll find the custom reward. In this, you can change the amount. I recommend keeping it to something low like 1 point. Then, be sure to set the cooldown to limit redemptions per user per stream to 1. This keeps it as 1 reward per stream. Important to note, if you have connection issues and the stream disconnects and reconnects, that will enable them to redeem an additional 1, as that's counted like you just started a brand new stream. But other than that, that's it. You should be set to avoid Twitch possibly messing with lurkers and have a fun new stream streak counter as well. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment down below and let me know if you have other things you'd like to learn. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!